What books do children like? Parents at times don't realize how critical it is to read to their children as early as infancy. Reading to a little one can promote a child's strong cerebral and emotional development. Any positive interaction between parent and child is helpful, such as speaking, reading, and playing easy games. We want to make the most of every situation and build it into a learning event. Reading is a hands-down way to attain this. Different things in books such as features, phrasing, and pictures appeal to distinct age groups. As parents, we want to understand what type of book is excellent for a youngster at certain learning stages in their precious lives. Here is a breakdown of items that children react to at certain ages. Newborn to 12 months, children at this age react to solid, large books with big bright pictures. Bear in mind that your little one's vision is still evolving daily and the images we see may be clearer than their view. Big pictures stand out better and capture their attention. Books with covered and protected photos are great with this age group. It helps the newborn with name recognition and familiarity. Toddlers 12 to 24 months, strongboard books are all the rage for this age. Toddlers love to take ownership and cart their books alongside them wherever they explore. Books with big pictures and few wording are excellent. Books that incorporate other babies and animals are great. At this age, books with these characters will aid in the learning process of labeling objects and animals in our environment. Toddlers 2 to 3 years, elementary storylines with a stimulating theme excite a child about reading. Select a book with their favorite TV figure to get them excited about reading. Books with nursery rhymes are notably significant to help with phonics and word relationships. Bedtime books, books that demonstrate a lesson about conduct, potty training, and sharing are critical. Also, books that strengthen their knowledge of the alphabet, animals, and shapes assist in their learning process. Preschoolers to teens, of course, preschoolers do not grasp how to read yet, but should by this time delight in reading books and learning new stories. They should relish looking at books by themselves and be capable of reciting definite parts of the stories by looking at the pictures on the pages. The older a child gets, of course, the vital thing is to make books accessible that are suitable for the reading level. Teenagers should be capable of reading novels that include their interests without having very many pictures to entertain them. Finally, as parents, it is our obligation to make books accessible for reading as well as instilling the joy and value of reading to our children. Many of us do not take to reading, but I don't feel any of us believe it is not a vital component of our children's rearing. We need to make the effort to make certain our children delight in the process of learning to read and the opportunities that reading opens up for them in their futures.